full on. That's actually sick. That's so good bang for buck. So there we go. Another awesome ocean view. Hello. Hi. Hey. You're cute. Down these steps we go. They're a bit mossy, they're a bit slippery. They're cutting up in this fruit. Welcome to an Indonesian lookout. How's it going, people? Today, me and Christo.
Yes, you again.
Christo again. Day 3 technically. We're gonna go check out the waterfall up in the kind of the eastern side of the island.
What's the name?
Jagasatru, I believe it's called.
Yeah.
So, driving some village roads now, and somewhere up in there. Looks like it's gonna rain, but weather says it's not, so I guess we'll see. We have a cute little marching school group. Ready for military? No. See you up at the start. Very foggy over that mountain. Volcano be foggy this morning. Welcome to an Indonesian lookout. I think this is an unofficial lookout, but it's pretty sick. Maybe someone's been sleeping there. Look at that. 440 meters above sea level. You're looking at the ocean view. It's a shame it's cloudy. So there we go. Another awesome ocean view. Giant statue up there. Hello. Hi. Hey. You're cute. Hi. Here we are, start of our waterfall journey. Pretty awesome view. This guy's amazing. Alright, there we go. Look at that view. Sick. You hear it pumping. Another one of these ones. I lost hospital. Down these steps we go. They're a bit mossy, they're a bit slippery. We're 500 meters and everything's just cloudy and wet and humidity sticking to everything. Got this little bamboo dodgy railing. This waterfall's pumping. Wow. So this waterfall's pretty new. They only started making the track in 2024, so literally not even a year old. So that's pretty awesome, because no tourists have got onto this yet, really. The mountain road getting in was definitely a bit dodgy. And the driver's a little bit worried here and there, but it's all bitumen. It's just steep, wide, and or steep, narrow, not wide, sorry. And just yeah, worried he might get a bit of loss of traction, got to make up the hill, so it might be better with the motorbike for most of these mountain places, but we're in a car. A four-wheel drive would even be better, but they don't really use them here. Not like we do in Australia. Wow, this is steep steps. I'm getting down. Oh, this waterfall is huge. It's actually sick. Wow. Got a little garden pond thing going on. Statues. Look at the size of this. This is actually sick. Loving it. So just exploring the side here. That's pretty cool. So much intricate artwork they do, eh? It's wild. Like how they made a change room and you could see through it anyway. And it says you're not allowed in the water unless you're wearing traditional Balinese clothes. Well, yeah. Little trip waterfall popping in with look at that bamboo little thing. That's pretty cool. That's wild. Wild, wild, wild. And no one's here, people. Little bamboo bridge. safe at the moment. Got a rope to hold on to. Holy hell, man, that is sick. Wow. It's a plunge indeed, 40 metres apparently. So, this one's just donation only, so we'll give them a donation on the way out. But, yeah, pretty much one drop and you're done. It's pretty simple. Let's get a bit closer. Got the dodgy little rock ladder, and here we go. Wow, look at the force in it. Boom. So yeah, you can't really swim, it's really shallow, but like, I don't want tourists standing in the water, but we're just going to cross over here clearly. Bit of water spray with the wind, that's how powerful it is. I'm just going to get wet standing out for a bit. Full on. That's actually sick. That's so good bang for buck. How much easier it is to get to this. Amazing. Takes me a whole 1 minute to get here. Woo! Jagasatru, if I'm even saying that correctly. They do this every morning, the old little ceremony. Right, that's gimpy up there. Big ass palm. Crazy rock. Wow. Alright. Take some photos and on to the next one. So, waterfall number 12. Hope you enjoyed. Ooh, sick. Instrument. That's cool. Boom, 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 boom. We'll work on it. They're cutting up in these fruits. That's all what it is. Spiky. Jackfruit?
Yeah. That's a jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Waterfall number 12. Hope you enjoyed this so far, and feel free to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, get notified of all new adventures. Catch you in the next one. Number 13, coming in your next screen.